What are the risks associated with the radiation therapy? That means the side effects of the radiation therapy. See, for the normal population, we do not want anybody to get exposed to the radiation. For the cancer patients, when the radiation is given, it is the life-saving treatment for them. So, when like any tablet or any injection is given, there can be some side effects. So, the same way in the radiation also, once we give the radiation, there are some side effects bound to happen. These side effects varies from place to place. Suppose any patient is getting a radiation in the head and neck area, after 2 weeks they will have some difficulty in swallowing, and then they are prone to develop some infections. So, we watch them carefully and then treat them accordingly. Once the radiation is over, these symptoms will subside. The same way, when you do treatment for the upper abdomen, they may have some nausea, that is a vomiting sensation, or they may have some loss of appetite, and again these also very temporary. When you give the radiation to the pelvic area, that is the lower abdomen, they may have some increased frequency of the urination or some increased frequency of the loose motions. Again we give some symptomatic treatment, they will get controlled. These are all during the radiation treatment temporary problems which gets controlled once the radiation is over. But there are some situations where the chronic problems can happen. Lot of times we will try to reduce the problems that are going to come late, but the doses that are required may not permit all the time. So, in general, the accepted side effects or the complications are, if you are treating any radiation patients, the expected the side effects or the complications are 5% complications. That means if you are treating 100 patients, 5% of the patients may develop complications in the 5 years. So, that is a very low. So, actually the radiation will be very helpful and it is a life saving. The side effects are very negligible.